Welcome to the Introduction to the Unmanned Aircraft Systems course. Whether you're a long-term hobbyist, an aviator, or you know nothing about UAS operations, at the end of this course, you will be able to legally and efficiently operate a UAS as a hobbyist or for commercial purposes. This video is only meant to give you an overview of the requirements and to provide the resources you'll need to pass the remote pilot examination. As a pilot, former air traffic controller, and a remote pilot, I believe this training is important because it's foundational knowledge for all aeronautics licensing that you may seek in the future. Also, the legal landscape for UAS is constantly changing. In the future, this knowledge that you'll receive in the course could be more important than ever. In this video, we will discuss how to prepare for your exam and complete this course, UAS definitions and classifications, types of pilots, and the authorities under which you may fly legally. You'll also learn when it's required to register your UAS. We will spend a lot of time in the course learning specifically the remote pilot certificate requirements, including what you can and cannot do, and how you can operate legally in different airspace and specifically near airports. As you look at the content in Blackboard, you will see several areas and types of content. First, you'll see reading assignments from your online text, videos, and practice test questions for the 107 exam. You will see a variety of other resources as well, including some FAA sites and video lectures that I've prepared to give broad overviews of material and point you to some of the critical points of understanding. We will also have live class meetings that you can attend remotely or in person. You'll find a schedule of those live class meeting dates in the online course calendar. On those days, we will focus on reviewing the information that you have studied outside of class, answer your questions, and provide opportunities for you to try out different software and different types of UAS platforms. During the live classes, we'll actually do a risk assessment so that you can take all of the knowledge you learn and practically apply it in a simulated mission. On the final day, you will plan a flight and actually demonstrate your proficiency using your personal UAS. Make sure you review the study tips document in Blackboard and keep in mind that the only way to learn a large amount of material in a short time is to dedicate some time, a few times a week, to complete the study sections. To meet your goal of passing the 107 exam, you should commit to studying 2 or 3 times during the week and reinforce all of this learning. I hope you enjoy the class, and best of luck.